China, far side of the court. Oh, that's it. Nice drop.
Here in Indonesia Open, where the Koreans beat Chen and JIA, is whether they can actually attack smarter than their compatriots did yesterday, with more angle. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, broken strings for So Hee.
And I think Chen and JIA, they are cleverer. Great. Oh, short.
Nice backing shots. I'm interested, what do you think the Koreans need to do then to beat the Chinese pair?
Well, I think
That's great. That's
and try and move the Chinese in the defense. Perhaps give away the initiative again with the clear again, so that it becomes a battle of stamina.
good flick serve. Oh, brilliant.
Service from Lee. Oh, that's loose.
Yeah, she wasn't serving particularly well yesterday,
No,
was she?
she was. Good coverage.
The Koreans on a run of 4 straight points go into the lead.
Oy.
Opening game of the women's doubles final. That's a good smash.
2 finals,
2 consecutive titles in 2 weeks.
No, no, but
That was last year, Kim So-young and Kong Hee-young at the Japan Open and Australian Open.
Good shot. The first chance you have to push. It's okay if it goes to the right-hand side of the court, as we see it. Oh, confusion. The pace had gone up. That's well played. Excellent. Hand side. Wait for the opportunities in the turnaround. Look how close they were to the net there, Chen and Jia.
Good net shot. Short. Yeah.
Play the mixed points in the mid-court area. She's not attacking. Staying in control, CHEN Qing Chen.
Drop. Clear. Drop. Half smash. Clear. Unbelievable. What a rally. Super. Well, it's clearly the longest rally of the match so far. Game. What an extraordinary second half. Nice defence. Brilliant.
Great play. There's going to be slice smashes. We've got to play cross smashes as well, the way I see it. There's a chance. That's the one. That's the one when just a possibility where they can get help from the sideways drift. important rally.
Yeah.
The Koreans convert. Trouble. Oy, they weren't alert there, the Koreans. Wide. Oh, she shouldn't have played it. That's going wide as well.
Yeah. String's gone, have it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Off she goes. Yeah.
It's wide. Ooh.
Oh, that came off the frame. Oh my goodness.
Wide of BAEK Ha Na. Yeah. That's not good.
Let's go wide.
Short.
Missed it. 8-all.
That's a good block. Oi.
That's going wide.
Yeah.
Chin's second game for BAEK Ha Na and So Hee, having already won the first. Oh, there's the two Chinese players. Oh, but that's well short. That's her second service error. In fact, the rules say there must be continuous play, and then we give warnings to players who are serving when
they're ready.
when it appears their opponents are ready. Has strings gone against in somebody's racket?
I don't think so.
That's right.
She doesn't have the stamina or the touch to consecutively.
Point advantage in the open game, and their opponents were able to come back, so they should be able to come back as well from a 5-point deficit. But that's not.
Excellent.
And they've done it on their first opportunity.